Okay, I'm going to show one way to put error bars and min and max slopes on a graph. Note that I've already got some data here. Let's say that we know the distance has an uncertainty of plus or minus 0.2 meters. One way to do this would be to double click on the distance and then select the options tab. And then we've got our error bar calculations. We can enable them and say, okay, plus or minus 0.2. And you'll see those error bars automatically show up here. By the way, you'll notice the graph doesn't appear scaled correctly. That is, this error, this point here is right on the edge. I'm going to go ahead and scale it to 0, 0, which you almost always will want to do. And I'll make this go up to 6. Okay, so here is our line of best fit. One way to put min and max slope lines on this is by selecting this curve fit, and let's try a manual. And you can adjust the slope and the intercept. And so you can see on this little preview window here that based on this line appears to just barely hit the error bars. This is the least steep line that goes through those error bars. So this might be a minimum slope line. And if you want to distinguish between these two, you can double click on these and change the appearance. Maybe I'll use, I don't know, red. Okay, so now the least steep, the minimum slope line is red. And do the same, again, curve fit. Go to manual. And then I'm going to be looking for the steepest line that goes through these points. That seems to be pretty good. By the way, if these increments are too small, you can change how much the value adjusts by with this little delta here, or you can just manually type something in. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and change the color for the maximum slope line. I'll make that blue. And now I've got a graph with the line of best fit and the slope there, and the least steep line with the slope of there, and the steepest line, slope there.